Let's make your AI Christmas avatar into a real ornament with PixCut S1. Here's what you'll need for this project: a PixCut S1, a badge base, a string, and a pair of tweezers. That's all. Super simple, right? Let's get started. First, open the Liene photo app and begin creating. Go to AI Lab. You'll find lots of Christmas templates there, and pick the template you like. Right now, the PixCut S1 is printing your AI Christmas avatar, and it will even cut it into magical stickers. Now it's time to make your very own badge. Just peel off the sticker, align it with the center of the blank badge, press it on, and you're done! Next, thread the string through the small hole in the ornament, and your badge is ready to hang. Don't forget to post your work on social media and tag us for a chance to win the gifts. We'll make a limited edition ornament of your avatar and ship it to you.